Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today we are doing a review into the Qing Beauty makeup box. So if you want to see all the stuff that I got from this brand, then keep on watching. All the makeup I'm currently wearing right now is listed down below in the comments, along with any videos that I have of this makeup and reviews are also going to be there. So here we go. I just undid the little sticky here and we're gonna see what's inside. I got a whole package that they have. They have a whole slew of different ones. I bought one for my cousin and this is the one I bought for myself. And here we go. Oh, it's very purple and it's very pretty. Oh, so nice. Okay, cute. Called Sweet Box. Is that what I ordered? Got a thank you card. And what do I have here? I have some lashes. Those are loud. Oh my gosh, I got the cutest little brush set right here. I'm opening this. Okay, no, before I do that, I'm opening these barrettes because my hair is bothering me. These are so pretty. Look at these. Okay, what if I just took this piece and I did this to it? And I just did that. There we go. Okay. I just started the video and my hair is already bothering me. Okay, now I'm going to go into this brush set right here and we're going to take a look at what we got. I'll put on the screen right here what this box cost me and we'll kind of go through it at the end. But so far we have brushes and we have those hair clips. So we kind of have some small brushes here. These look more like eyeshadow kind of brushes. You can see there. We got a spoolie, that's nice. Always use those guys. Nice blender brush. I like because they're short. They're not super long ones. And then we have this. This looks like a blush brush. There's no writing on them. And they seem soft enough. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so let's continue on with the box. And I have here Hand Diamond Powder. Oh, it looks like we have a highlight. And this is what it looks like right here. Ooh, that is a pink highlight. Let's give a little bit of a try. I mean, I got a little bit of a Charlotte Tilbury going on right now, but I guess I can do a little bit of this. Ooh, that's something. Yeah, that's now a little bit of pink. I'm going very light. I really don't want a lot of pink right now. I like my champagne-y kind of look. Very cute. And that's a decent amount right there. The packaging is minimal, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, and a nice little purple scrunchie here. I guess that's more mauve. I like that. That's a good little scrunchie. And then we have this guy here. What is this guy? Cream gel liner, waterproof even. Let's take a look at some of these colors. Oh wow, these are the colors. Cream gel liner. Oh wow, that's an orange right there. Beautiful. Okay, so we got hair stuff, we got lashes, brushes. Okay, we are all over the place. Really nice so far, really cute. And then we have this here, Hand Diamond Matte Lipstick. Just says number 3. Oh, it looks almost like the Fenty, like the matchstick there. And then, ooh, what a nice color. Okay, so there's still more things in this box. Next is the waterproof liquid eyeliner. Yes, love liquid eyeliner. It says rose gold everywhere. Is it in rose gold or is it in black? Oh wow, look at this. This is a very interesting thing here. What am I doing? Screwing it off? Okay, I'm screwing it. Oh, okay, very nice. It's one of these. Wow. Okay, really nice. I like it's long like a pencil. This is kind of easier. The only ones I have like this are e.l.f. and a couple other drugstore ones. And they're very small and you feel like a giant using it. So that's nice. And there's all this stuff in here too. And then 4-color glitter eyeshadow palette. Indeed. And here we go right there. This is the 4 glitter quad. It was wrapped in plastic and in the box, I'm assuming, so that it stays kind of moist. Let me swatch one. Those are really pretty colors though. Those are very wearable. Yeah, it's like pure glitter. You need a glitter glue. Oh yeah, that's a lot of sparkle. And there's like literal stars in there. I don't know if I would put this on my eyes. And last but not least is the eyeshadow palette right here. This is the Romantic Purple by Febble, I guess is the brand here. And let's take a look inside what she looks like. And there we go. That is a lot of eyeshadow. Oh my goodness. So I just took off the plastic right there just so we can get a better look at it without all the glare. They look really great. I'm going to swatch a couple mattes and a couple of the shimmers just to see this formula and what it's all about. This is the shade called Paradise. It's like a matte kind of taupe color. Then I'm going to go into this one called Resort. It's a very light kind of lilac. It is a shimmer. There we go. Oh, that's nice. This one's called Weekend. Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there. Where's more of that stuff? This is called Shell. Ooh, little patchy right there. Let me try a little bit. Okay. And just because I see it here, this one's called Horizon and it is just full of glitter. And that one right there. So the top two didn't do much, but some of them are kind of like a satin. This one is just a full-on wet kind of shimmer, and it's got quite a few of those in the pan. So I can't wait to kind of use it and see what it's all about here. I just did a couple more right there. I did the turquoise and the orange one called Sand, and these ones worked really well. So I can't wait to kind of dive into that, create a look. I went kind of loud today with this look. This is the Natasha Denona, the Zendo palette. I was just in the mood to kind of use it today. Did a little bit of a halo eye with the green and the blues in there. And it's so great. One of my students commented during our class today. And there we go. That was everything that was in my Qing Beauty box. Really cute stuff. I mean, I think the star of the show is this eyeshadow palette that is just, I mean, it's bigger than my head, but you get a lot of colors. And even if only the shimmers end up working for you, then I feel like it's kind of worth it, but I got to play around with it. But you know, we got some hair accessories, which was cute. We got the scrunchie, brushes, the highlighter, a nice matte lipstick. So I'm very excited to kind of try that one again, but I'll definitely let you guys know in a future video, kind of how these wore. And if it's something that you want to kind of try out, because I don't know about you, but I got sucked into Instagram and it was so appealing. I'm like, how do I not buy this right now? And of course I did. But I think it's really cute and I just can't wait to try it out actually like on my face. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it and it really helps out the video, as well as liking the video and subscribing. YouTube should be recommending to you some other content of mine that you are sure to enjoy. I have a ton of other unboxings, makeup reviews, a lot of foundation reviews. There's a lot of really great foundations that have just come out, and I know you're gonna love those videos. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you and your families are staying well. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, everyone.